Travessa de São Paulo. Home das samba. São Paulo ruins. A bit of history up on the hills, slices of Macau up on the hills, São Paulo ruins up on the traveling down Travessa de São Paulo, traveling down São Paulo ruins.
Travessa de São Paulo. Oh, there's a drone way up there. So this is right at the base of São Paulo ruins, and I think this lane goes we're kind of in the middle of it, so I think it's going to go up this way behind it a little bit, and then I think it also goes down this way around this corner right here. So we're probably going to go one of the two directions and walk all the way down it. So stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. I just don't know which way to go. They got some kind of TV thing set up here too, so I'm kind of curious about what that's all about. I guess we'll go up, since I'm a little bit committed to it already. And for some reason there is... It's filming something here. The yellow streetlights kind of have a glow to it. Yeah, I don't know what they're filming. The 15th national, so they're advertising for the national games coming up as well. We'll definitely walk in there and just kind of see what it is. Feels like there's something being filmed, like a movie or something. There's cameras. We'll see shortly. Yeah, I guess they're filming something. Well, that explains everything. So yeah, I guess we have camera crews everywhere, and they're kind of streets blocked for the film. This is the backside. Yeah, there's security everywhere as well. So I believe this is all part of Calçada de São Paulo. So it's Calçada de São Paulo. São Paulo is actually not the lane, but that's the stairwell of St. Paul's. Okay. So we're gonna walk back. And up in the hills is the fortress. Can't really get a good view of that at nighttime now. So they're filming some scene here. We're just gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, the lighting looks nice up here. So our lane is the one to the left there. I think that vehicle I think behind me is gonna, let me go over this way. Okay, that's a nice, better view anyways. And we'll walk down it. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, so Travessa de Sao Paulo goes that way, so that's the one that we're going to be walking now. So we end up going up the hill a little bit. You can look down on the square here. Okay, pretty cool. There we go. Yeah, for some reason there's people that film up in here too, so that there's some nice spaces. So our lane is to the left, so we will walk down that way. Okay. So that was our starting spot, Sao Paulo ruins right there. Got the nice blue skies. And then we have our main little stretch that I wanted to capture. It's really nice. Lighting and everything right now. This college straight ahead is called Matias Riki. There's actually a statue of him that we could have visited on our way down this hill. It's in the park. But that is one of the first people to bring, like, he's an Italian guy who brought the Bible and studied Chinese and studied lots of different stuff. But it was 1569, I think, something like that. So really nice lighting right now. Okay, so we're going to be walking down the hill a little bit further down. And then our lane will end at the base of Sao Paulo ruins. And the street that we're on right now is Travessa de Sao Paulo. Let me put it up on the camera. Right there. Okay. So we can kind of view. Let's see if we can get over that fence. Okay, so it looks like whatever they're filming, they have that little space blocked, so maybe they're gonna film on that space, and then up there is all blocked as well. So there's some things being filmed here on this Saturday night in Macau. And now we're down at the base of Sao Paulo's church in St. Paul Street.
Mãi, đi chế phút sắc mài của chú đi chế phút xe.
And then I'm just going to keep the camera on just a little bit. So this is also we're on St. Paul Lane, Travessa de Sao Paulo, and this one is Rua de Sao Paulo. So we're completed our Target Street. And then yeah, this gets kind of crowded in here, so it's kind of interesting sometimes to film how crowded it is. Okay. So we're just gonna come into this space right here. So that was actually our Target Street. It was right up that hill, and then this one kind of has some nice artwork everywhere in here. And that was our Target Street. Okay. So we'll end our video right here.